Good morning. Just getting started. I'm going to just talk about conditionals, if statements. So in your scripts and Docker files, you might want to only do something if something else is true. You can use the test command for a lot of things. You can just use the double pipe and double ampersand for, if testing whether the previous command succeeded or failed to do the next thing. But if you have a variable and you just want to compare one variable to the other and then conditionally act, then you might just want an if statement. Okay, so we'll probably just do case another day. So for today, if this equals double equals that, then echo match, else echo no match phi. So start with if. We put it in double bracket and quote our strings and double equals to test equivalence, and we use then semicolon, and is how to kind of wrap the action, and then another semicolon to do else, and then close with phi. So it didn't match. Let's see. This does match. Okay. Now, what if we wanted to test another thing? I believe it's ELSIF. I might be wrong because I didn't practice very much before this. 4 equals 4. And I'm going to tell you more about numbers in just a minute because they're treated special. And go. Else if echo it might just be the full else if. Okay. All right, so apparently it's else if, nothing special, it's just a separate if command. All right, so it matched, and what happens if it does not match? Then it falls back to the second if statement. Pretty straightforward. All right, now what if you want to compare numbers? Like, go back to our previous example. Let's just do first a string comparison. If A is less than B, says that it's not. There's all sorts of tests. You can just use the man page to find out all the tests you can perform. But I'm not. This is not working as I expected, actually. A, B. Alright, I'm not going to troubleshoot that. Let's look at numbers. If 4 is less than or equal to 5, then echo true, else echo false. 5. So 4 is less than 5. What is about 14 is false. So notice that I use these double parentheses. That's to tell Bash that I am not comparing strings but numbers. I think they call it arithmetic expansion in the man page. You can look that up. So you cannot use your what I think are like string comparison operators with the arithmetic expansion. Alright, so that's how to do numbers. And what else? Yeah, that's it. Any comments? Okay, I see got some muted attendees. But that's basically how to write an if statement in Bash. Another day we'll do case. We've already covered test in a previous video, so you can check that out, or just use the man page to know what you can do with test. And we've already covered the ampersands and whatnot. Like, but for example, test, let's see, var equals val, var echo var. So test for a zero length string. Oops. Empty. Okay, so we know that var has something in it. We have not set var2, so that one's empty. And we can, what else did we say? Test. Yeah, so that kind of shows both using the test command as well as the ampersands and the or operators. And there's all sorts of tests. The -z is just a test for a zero length string, but there's, does the file exist and everything else. So just some good conditional tests that you can do in your bash scripts. Hope you can find use for it. Have a good day.